Good evening, YouTubers. Nearly 6 o'clock. So that thing over there has been recording pretty much most of the day. Now I've got to try and find a way to edit it all down and see if I can find something watchable. To get really excited in the middle when a big hot blob of weld went down the back of my shirt. But I probably wouldn't be able to include the soundtrack on that because of the language. Anyway, we are now looking at a Mark II escort spring hanger, which is quite handsomely clagged in there. That gave me quite a lot of trouble because it was spitting and popping like a bastard. I ran out of gas, so I've just had to drive another 25 kilometers back into town and 25 kilometers back again to get a bottle of bloody gas. So there you go, one 60mm spring hanger, which is in the same place as the other one I took out. It's just in there a bit stronger this time. So let's get up the top. Well, I've kind of gone overboard with the spot welds in there, but that'll more than make up for any weaknesses in the welds downstairs. Put the cat flap in tomorrow when there's more light. And all I got to do then is get that one done. So there you go, another long day in the life of no one with no life. You're still 900 and some odd short of a little plaque for YouTube, but I suppose that's life, and I'm going to go enjoy life by sticking my nose in the fridge now to see what beer's in there. Cheerio now.